Hi everybody, it's Sabine from Bibi's Nail Wonderland. I was in the store and I saw this Essence Peel Off Base Coat. It's new, at least it was for me. And I was curious if it worked. You can see it's kind of a thick base coat. It's not completely see-through. It's not glue, so I like that. On the back side it says you have to wait 10 minutes before it's dry, or a couple of minutes. And quite honest, it dried very fast. It was dry, not sticky, within 1 or 2 minutes. The first layer of normal polish I applied, it applied like it was a normal base coat, so that was great. After a few hours I tried to remove it and I applied 2 layers of polish in 1 top coat, and you can see that there's a war going on. Yeah, I could peel it off, but it was not going very well. And you can see that my nail didn't enjoy the peel off. It's not completely ruined, but it didn't really work that well. This is another layer that I tried to peel off. The difference here is there were 4 layers of polish and a glitter top coat on top, so it was more thick. I tried to remove it after I took a shower, so it was still warm, and I thought that it would come off better. You can see here I was mistaken, because this one didn't come off at all. It's just like I didn't apply any peel off base coat. So this was, for me, this was the disaster nail. Here I applied about 8 layers of polish and top coats, so it was quite thick, and like I told you, my fingers were a little bit warm because I took a shower, and this one came off better. So for me, it looked like the more layers I have, the easier it is to peel it off. Now, this was the same. It was about 8 to 10 layers. You still see that my nails don't really like this treatment. Yeah, this one was the last. It was about 4 to 5 layers, and yeah, it almost hurts me to see what it does to my fingers and my nails, because you see that I don't only take off the polish, I also take off a little piece of my nail. Here I clean it up with acetone, which I wanted to avoid because I used the peel off, but yeah, it didn't really come off the way I wanted. Here there's some damage, and I'm going to show you the damage. This one was okay, but here you can see that the nail is really damaged. So for me, this is a no-no. I don't like what it did to my nails, so I wouldn't buy it again, but it's my opinion.